Mr. President, the new stealth fighter was stolen by a German pilot. Does the name Peter Krieg ring a bell?
Ooh, scary, Haig. What next? You forget your oven mitts and burn your finger on a widow baby pie in the oven?
Sir, this is serious. He's the greatest pilot known to man, perhaps of all time.
Well, Haig, remind me. Are you new here? Because in situations like this, everyone knows I call upon a clandestine force of British dinosaurs. What was their name again, Haig?
You mean the Dino Yacht Club, sir?
Good job, Haig. Now, get me the Dino Yacht Club.
Say, that's an interesting tie, Willoughby.
It's a Bulgari.
That's interesting because the knot appears to be a little tight for the fine fabrics of a Bulgari.
What are you trying to say, Charles?
It's a clip-on.
Oh, buttercrumbs. I suppose I really just never saw the point in learning to tie a tie.
Willoughby, any gentleman should know the proper way to tie a tie, which is, of course, the Windsor knot. Here you go, old boy. Try it.
Spot here and then pull it like there's a daisy and then pop it in and pull it out. I can't do it.
It's all right. Sophistication's like a bout of typhoid. It comes when you least expect it. This German pilot's about to learn what happens when you take something that doesn't belong to you. Let's bend him over our knee.
Dino Yacht Club! Dino Yacht Club! Dino Yacht Club! Dino Yacht Club!
I can't wait to get back to the yacht club for some Jarlsberg cheese.
You all right, Willoughby?
I'm a trifle bit shaken, but it's nothing a sip of Riesling won't fix.
Countess, you all right?
Careful, Charles. He's right on you.
Krieg seems to be quite skilled in the cockpit. That doesn't make him a gentleman. Willoughby, is your Fiorio necktie handy?
Oh, yes. But the time seems hardly apropos.
Actually, the time couldn't be more apropos, old chum. Your lesson in elegance begins now. Start with the wide end of your necktie. Cross the wide end over the narrow end. Bring the wide end up through the loop.
My God, he's flying in a Windsor knot formation.
Pull the wide end underneath the narrow end and to the right.
Go up and down
Back through the loop and to the right again.
through the loop.
Now tighten the knot.
Oh, you pull on it. Oh, I got it.
Willoughby, don't ever say you don't see the reason one should learn to tie a Windsor knot.
What a sight. You confused the chap so much he didn't have time to eject from the cockpit.
Obviously, the Germans don't teach pulling out at the proper moment.
It's funny because it's a bit naughty.
Yes.
Dino